Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to choose your sign-in account for My Social Security. And when creating a personal My Social Security account, you will need to choose between Login.gov and ID.me, and both options are secure and both can be used to access your Social Security account online. So the right choice here depends on your situation and the type of ID that you have. So before you start, make sure that you have a personal email address, your social security number and ID, a phone or another way to verify your login, and a way to upload a photo of your ID if you live outside the United States, do not have a social security number, or do not have a valid state ID, or ID.me may be the option that you need. So ID.me can also help if you need to verify through a video call. If you have a valid driver's license or state ID and your phone plan is under your name, Login.gov may be a simple option. But if your phone plan is under someone else's name, you may need extra steps like verifying by mail, in person, or through ID.me. So before creating your account, check your ID, phone, and location first, since this will help you choose the sign-in option that works best for you. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.